Welcome to Mailbox Routing 101. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the 3 ways that you can configure mailbox routing in your plays. Let's say we're running a play to reach out to people that we've targeted through Google Ads that then came to our website and that we want to reach out to them if they're a head of marketing or a head of growth. How do we set this up? First, we have our trigger, which defines our audience of people from this Google Ads campaign. Then we want to enroll them in the sequences that we've created. Once we click the sequence node, we have the option to add routing here. So here are the 3 ways we can configure our mailbox routing. Way number 1 is manually. What this means is, let's say we want to reach out to the head of marketing persona from this audience through this mailbox and add them to the sequence. Let's do the same for the heads of growth. Send them from this mailbox to this sequence. So this is the manual way, and this is one of my demo instances. So there's only one mailbox here, but if this is your production instance, you'll see all of the mailboxes that you've added and configured. And you can set this up custom one by one. But what if you have defined rules of engagement and territories in your CRM? Maybe it's Salesforce, maybe it's HubSpot. And what if you want the emails to come from the account owner or the lead or contact owner in your CRM? These next 2 ways are how you would set that up. So the first option is to use person record owner. This means that the person that owns the lead or the contact in your CRM will be the person whose mailbox the email gets sent from. So again, we're just taking our same head of marketing persona and our same head of growth persona. This time, we're routing them through the person record owner mailbox, and they're getting routed into the right sequences. Last but not least, we can do the same if we want to route them through the company or the account record owners. All we have to do is select use company or account record owner, and for each person that comes through, it's going to look them up in Salesforce or HubSpot and then route through the right company record owner into the right sequence. This means your rules of engagement and territory are respected automatically at scale. Last but not least, we might want to set fallback mailboxes in the edge case where maybe the company or account is unowned in Salesforce, or the person or lead record is unowned in Salesforce. If that's the case, we can set a fallback mailbox and have all those routed emails go through the fallback mailbox. And that's it. In this tutorial, we learned how to set up mailbox routing, where you could do so manually via the person record owner or the company record owner. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.